Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Ring Cam Files. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos. Now let's see what they got for us today. Kansas City, Missouri. So this
Jeanette,
lady, I guess
it's Liz.
she's not talking to anybody. She's not talking to
Lizzie.
anybody. The people are out of town, so she's doing this whole little fake story thing, probably because there's people walking by, I'm assuming. Um, yeah, she's gonna do all this just to, yeah, see, she's doing the whole fake hand movements and everything. Yeah, the whole shebang. So she can fake talking on the phone just so she can steal a package. Seriously,
Okay.
that's what they do.
268. Just come out when you're ready. I'll be on the car. Just come out when you're ready. I'll be in the car. All right. Yeah. Well, we're in the car. Seriously. It's like stupid. So stupid. Like super fresh. Okay, so you take everything you have out of here.
Looks like we got a foot chase in the snow in Minneapolis. He went that way. Oh, wrong way, man. Crazy. He went that way. I should have stopped looking for him, I guess. Oh, there he is right there. He's going. Oh, that's a different cop. That's a different cop. So he must have found him. And they're off. Okay, so this lady catches some guy. He's in her truck right now, and I have to bleep it so many times. Hopefully, I bleeped it enough. 'Cause she got. I feel her. I've had my window busted
My truck
before
right here. Oh,
out of my truck, but I also had a laptop. They could see that they obviously wanted because I usually will keep my door unlocked just because I don't want my windows busted. But if they see something they want, they'll do whatever they can to get it. So it's like you know,
better go pick partner up.
damn.
Go
I
get him.
feel her.
He bust the one out. Yep. You heard it? Yeah. Call the cops, Mom. Come on. Get your phone.
Okay, so this piece of garbage is gonna steal someone's package that has their dog's ashes in it. So a real piece of garbage this dude is. And it's right around Christmas. God. Be trip and fall, but no, unfortunately. Yeah, I probably won't have enough the decency to bring it back. And this one, another piece of garbage. What do we got?
Get out of there! Get out of there!
Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas.
Police, 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 police. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
What's up, dude? What happened? What happened?
He's going through cars.
How'd you see him?
Huh?
I'm in a fucked up place there, no?
What did he say?
He's in a fucked up place.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. Just don't forget to lock your doors. Always be safe. Do whatever you can to protect your homes and your family. It's crazy out there. I got a siren, a motion siren for my home, so if anybody comes up to my door, a siren goes off and scares them off. I mean, there's so many things you can buy to protect your home. Okay, see you guys next video. Bye.